You already know walking burns calories, but what if I told you that this simple daily habit can reshape your brain, protect your heart, balance your blood sugar, and even add years to your life? No intense workouts, no expensive gym, no complicated routines, just one powerful habit, walking every single day. But here's the truth most people never realize. If you walk the wrong way, you get almost no real results. And today, you'll discover the 10 powerful biological changes that begin inside your body the moment you start walking daily, plus the simple formula that makes sure every single step is actually transforming your health. Stay with me until the end, because the final change is the one doctors say has the biggest impact on your lifespan, yet almost nobody talks about it. Let's begin. Number 1. Your body starts burning fat naturally. When you walk daily, your body shifts into a fat-burning mode. Unlike intense workouts that rely heavily on sugar for quick energy, walking encourages your body to use stored fat as fuel. This means consistent walking can slowly reduce belly fat, slim your waist, and support healthy weight loss without extreme dieting or stress on your joints. And the best part, even 30 minutes a day can make a real difference. Number 2, your heart becomes stronger. Walking is one of the best exercises for heart health. Daily walking helps lower blood pressure, improve circulation, reduce bad cholesterol, decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. In fact, studies show that regular walking can reduce heart disease risk by up to 30%. That's a powerful result from something so simple. Number 3, your mood improves almost instantly. Have you ever noticed how a short walk can clear your mind? That's because walking releases endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals. It also lowers stress hormones like cortisol, helping reduce anxiety, tension, and mental fatigue. Within just a few minutes of walking, your mood begins to lift, your thoughts feel lighter, and your energy returns. Number 4, your energy levels increase. It may sound strange, but walking actually gives you more energy instead of taking it away. Regular movement improves oxygen flow, boosts circulation, and helps your cells produce more natural energy. So instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, a simple walk might be exactly what your body needs. Number 5, your muscles and joints become stronger. Walking gently strengthens legs, hips, knees, and core muscles. It also improves joint lubrication, reducing stiffness and pain over time. That's why doctors often recommend walking for people with back pain, arthritis, or weak joints. It's low impact, safe, and incredibly effective. Number 6, your digestion gets better. Daily walking stimulates your digestive system, helping food move more smoothly through your body. This can reduce bloating, constipation, and acid reflux. A short walk after meals is one of the simplest ways to support healthy digestion naturally. 7. Your brain function improves. Walking doesn't just change your body, it changes your brain. Regular walking increases blood flow to the brain, improving memory, focus, creativity, and mental clarity. Research even shows that daily walking can lower the risk of cognitive decline and dementia as you age. So every step you take is also a step toward a sharper mind. 8. Your sleep becomes deeper and more restful. Struggling to sleep? Daily walking helps regulate your sleep cycle, reduce stress, and naturally prepare your body for rest. People who walk regularly often fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling more refreshed. And good sleep improves every other part of your health. 9. Your immune system gets stronger. Walking boosts the activity of immune cells that fight infections and illness. Studies show people who walk regularly get sick less often and recover faster when they do. In a world full of stress, pollution, and viruses, this simple habit becomes a powerful daily shield for your health. 10. You may live longer. Here's the most powerful change of all. Regular walking is strongly linked to a longer life. Research suggests that consistent daily walking can reduce the risk of early death from major diseases, not through extreme effort, but through small steps repeated every day. And that's the real secret of health, not intensity, but consistency. So the question isn't, is walking powerful enough? The real question is, when will you start? Because your future health, your energy, your confidence, and even your lifespan may depend on a habit as simple as putting one foot in front of the other every single day. You don't need perfection. You don't need hours. Just start with 10 minutes today and let those minutes change your life. Now, you have a choice. You can ignore this, stay stuck in the same tired routine, and let your health slowly decline. Or you can do something incredibly simple. Put on your shoes, step outside, and start changing your body one walk at a time. If you're ready to commit to walking daily, comment "I start today" below. I want to see who is serious about transforming their life. Hit like to help more people discover this life-changing habit, and subscribe for simple science-based health videos that can truly extend and improve your life. Start today. Your future body is already waiting for you.